Welcome to the Bed Availability and Journey Board training in MasterCare Plus. On the homepage, you'll see widgets showing current bed availability. If these widgets are not visible on your screen, please contact support so they can enable them for you. Once enabled, the widgets will display real-time availability information, which is directly based on the beds and wards configured within your system. Next, let's move to the Journey Board. You can use this option to toggle between different locations and quickly view the current status for each one. This allows you to instantly see if there are any outstanding tasks that still need attention, or if an alert has been raised against a specific client. From this screen, you can select a specific client or patient to view more details. By clicking into their record, you can open the corresponding episode or encounter, which provides access to their full information, including medical history, progress notes, and any related documentation. This makes it easier to review their care journey and ensure that all relevant information is available in one place. Let's create a new episode. Key in the corresponding information and assign a bed. Once assigned, the client will immediately appear on the Journey Board, showing their bed allocation. If you have admin rights, you can also configure beds, wards and other locations in the admin configuration to ensure that the Journey Board accurately reflects your center. This means you can add new wards, update bed availability or adjust location details as needed, giving you full control to keep the system aligned with your facility's actual setup. And that's how you manage bed availability and the Journey Board in MasterCare Plus. Please check out our other videos for more training resources. Thank you for watching.